Packet switching, using the datagram approach, is a method of transmitting data where messages are broken into small, self-contained packets that travel independently through the network without a pre-established path. Each packet carries its own destination, address, and routing information, allowing it to take any available route to reach a target device. Because the network doesn't reserve a fixed path, packets may packets may arrive out of order, be delayed, or even get lost, requiring the receiving end to reassemble and verify the complete message. This approach is connectionless, meaning no setup is needed before sending, which make which makes it highly flexible and efficient by dynamic network like the internet. Through it introduces challenges like increased overhead and the need for error handling and sequencing at the destination. Thank you.